with my right forward, backward, and I am displacing to my left. And then I am doing with my left, going forward, backward, and displacing to my right. Again now with my right, back and forth, displacing to my left, and with my left, back and forth, displacing to my right. To change, see, I am trying to save room, so I change going backward this time. Next time, I change going forward. So in this way, we remain in the same type of space. And I change. And I change. Also, see, this movement has a counter body motion. And I change. And I change. Now, our partner is always on our right side. That's why even I am doing the counter body motion, you can see that my attention is always here. And same, this will be the leader, and this will be the follower. One more time, this will be the leader, with the follower here, and this will be the follower with the leader here. One more time, the leader. One more time, the follower. For the couples, let's do it in this way, and this is the choreographic aspect of this element. You can try to do it in this way. This is a leader. The side step, outside partner, back and forth. Exit, continue. Now the follower. Outside partner, continue. Now the leader, side step, outside partner, go and close. Now the follower, continues, outside partner, and close. Should we try it together? Let's see. You can try. Also, the singles can try it with their props, sticks, or with the invisible partner.